Hello, my name is Bello and this is my assignment for the accounting class. For the entire month, I was working for an imaginary company as an accountant. The company name is Gemstore Production. I had to make all the incomes and expenses of the company using QuickBooks Pro. Also, we took some classes on about budget. We talk about liabilities, equity, assets during the entire month. And now I'm gonna talk about everything that we learned the month. I'm gonna do like a resume about the month. Well, first I'm gonna start with the balance sheet of the company. Here we have the assets, we have the liabilities, equities, expenses, incomes, liabilities. Well, here we can see in the first it's say 11,400. That's the total account receivable, and you can see the expenses also here at the end. But let's start first. Okay, how much money in cash we have, and the prepaid insurance. Those are our assets. In total, the current asset is $11,069.80. The total current asset is gonna be $22,000, and that's the sum of the total asset and the total account receivable. Next, we're gonna have the liabilities and equities. Here we have the current liabilities, account payables, and as you can see, the accounts payable is gonna be 18,000, nearly like 19,000, and you can see the total below it. The other current liabilities are unearned revenue. We get 3,000. What is an unearned revenue? Revenue is an unearned revenue, is some money that we already got but we haven't received yet. Somebody gave us a check of to $3,000, but I haven't changed it yet in the bank. I haven't earned that money yet because I haven't got the money in my bank account or in the company bank account. We also have the total current liability here. Well, we also have the long-term liabilities. Okay, long-term and short-term liabilities. Short-term, long-terms are the ones that are over 1 year, and short-term are below 1 year. Contracts or terms. The loan payable. Those are the loans we have paid. Okay, we have the equity at the end, the common stock, net income. And you have all this information here. Is the balance sheet. It is more like almost all the money of the company, how it moves. Okay, profit and loss budget versus actual statement. I couldn't get the whole picture because it was in or horizontal. It was too big to put in the image. But here I have it. Here we have the budget. As you can see, that how it works. Okay, we have the expense, income, depreciation, all the expenses the company have, right? And also the incomes of the company. But this is like every month I have it. I could only take I only took the last month because as I told you it was horizontal and was too big because it was talking month. There were too many. Then here we have like how much money the company will have made like in budgets like in some years. And here by August 29 of 2014, we have the company who have like expend $19,000, and this how it works. Like also you can see the over budget. That's how much money the company would have like get but that date, or that's at the end, because the over budget, the number budget is the other one that is in that month. And we can see like how many percent we're getting every month and how many percent I put like to be saving money or spending money in something. The cash flow and the money, we have the net income, cash, we have how the money move. in the company, how it gets in, how it gets out. And here you can see the unearned revenue as we talk, uh, and also we have account payables, prepaid insurance, and cash. We have all this stuff, like is all the money by per account. Every account is here, and you see how much money the company is getting or how much money expanding the money, the company, sorry. Okay, I got for like 5 internal controls to get this company better. The ones I choose was first, my first one is the checks, like signature, to choose like 5 or 6 persons that the bank could have their signatures, and every check to be like to be validated or changed by the bank had to be signed by two of these peoples I choose for the company, like people that the company can count on, or the owner know there are people he can rely on to sign these checks and they don't steal money from him. Also, I think like to get the second one is to get people like to get evaluated every month or every month, to so we can know like who's spending money or who's making our company lose money, or who's not working well in that company, because that make a lot of like problems in a company. Because if we know somebody is not working good or doesn't want to work or is getting late every day, and he have a customer that wanna work with us and he's never get to the meetings, we're losing money in that part. When we have to teach him, like talk to him about it or just fire him. Another one, sorry for that. Another one I think is really important is that keep the cash, like the amount of cash as low as possible, because if we have cash in the company, like petty cash, uh, somebody can steal from us because we don't know what they expanded on, or they can just steal it and say, oh no, I bought something for the company, or somebody came and asked for money owed to them, and they have a fake receipt or something, and they are stealing money from us. Sometimes as the assignment, as the last post, it says like Mary stole, just took $10 and she want to pay later. That could happen to us too. Okay, number four, I will say like I would like the company to have a sorry, some kind of person, to like a person that I choose, or not me, the owner of the company, someone that he can rely on to manage all the accounts, like not him, but to get the people that manage the accounts, and and every accountant had to show him, that person, where the money is going every month. Like every month they have to take a control, like a report to that person, the owner choose, or the owner of the company, and they have to choose to show him this paper, this report, that, and he can like check them every month, so he know that we're doing our work as an accountant, and he's looking like where the money is going. But that person also have to know like all almost everything about the money, every show the company is doing, so he can really like know if that money is expended like in what is supposed to be expended on. Well, thank you for listening, and thank you for the class. Thank you and take care.